Hi there and welcome. As the title says, we are going to be making a turkey breast in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cooks Essentials 5.3 quart. If you have not made a turkey breast yet in your air fryer, you must give this a try. It cooks up beautifully. With that, let's go ahead and get started. I have 1 stick room temperature unsalted butter. You can use salted butter if you would rather, no big deal. I am going to add some thyme and rosemary to this. If I had fresh, I would use that. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon each of rosemary and thyme. Add some salt and some black pepper. Now I'll get this all mixed up. All right, I have our herb butter all mixed up. I'm going to move this to the side and grab the turkey breast. All right, I have my turkey breast. It's just under 5 pounds. Now this is going to be sitting up too high in the air fryer as it is right now. So I am going to cut off the rib bones right here. Okay, I have the rib bones off. Before I go grab my butter, I am going to loosen up this turkey skin because we are going to put butter underneath the skin. Just gently move your fingers back and forth to loosen that skin. I'm going to go over on this side. You don't want to loosen up the skin here down the middle, just on both sides here. I have my herb butter. I'm going to take some. And I'm going to start with this side. Go up as far as I can with it. And just kind of push it up. Take some more now and we'll do the other side. So you get the idea here. So I'll go ahead and finish this up and we'll pop this in the air fryer. All right, I have the herb butter in. A little bit I had left over, I just plopped there on the top. I'm going to move this out of the way here for a second. Get my air fryer basket. And we'll put that right in. All right, we are ready to pop this into the air fryer. I have the temperature set to 350 degrees for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, we will take it out and flip the turkey breast over. This is what it looks like so far. I'm going to go set this down and flip it over, and then we'll pop it back in for another 20 minutes on 350 degrees. I have our turkey breast flipped back into the air fryer. Again, I had the timer set for 20 minutes and the temperature set to 350 degrees. Okay, our 20 minutes is up on the other side. Again, I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to take a quick tip and see where we're at. Okay, I have it flipped. It is back on the front side. I have it back on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I just set the timer for 30 minutes. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. I'm going to have to let you know. I did take an internal temperature once I flipped it back over. It is at 133. I will let you know how long it took. Once I take this out, I'm going to let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes because we don't want to cut into it right away or the juices are going to escape. We are looking for an internal temp of a done turkey at 165 degrees. I'm going to try to catch this at 160 degrees. Then I'm going to take it out of the air fryer because it will continue to cook a little bit longer. So I'll let you know right here how long I cook this. All right, I've had this resting for 20 minutes. Skin is nice and crispy. Now, I am not the best carver. I'll go ahead and cut off a few slices. Okay. That skin is nice and crispy. The turkey is, hate this word, absolutely delicious. Now keep in mind, cooking time is going to vary depending on the size of your turkey breast and the make of your air fryer. Also, I cannot stress enough, if you do not have a digital thermometer, you need to get yourself one. It's going to save you headaches down the road and possibly save you from food poisoning. I will leave a link down below in the description for one of these if you're interested in checking it out. If you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more you can check out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.